The Missouri Department of Conservation encourages you to discover nature and get outdoors to view bald eagles close up. Every winter, the Show Me State welcomes record numbers of bald eagles and boasts some of the most plentiful viewing areas in all of the lower 48 states. Bald eagles are migrating south from their nesting range in Canada and the Great Lakes to hunt around open waters of Missouri's big rivers, many lakes, and expansive wetlands. More than 2,000 bald eagles are typically reported in Missouri during winter. Watch for eagles perched in large trees along the water's edge. View them early in the morning to see eagles flying and fishing. Make sure to dress for the winter weather. And don't forget your binoculars and camera. Discover nature and venture outside to look and listen for that most iconic of American species, the bald eagle. Or join Runge Conservation Nature staff to learn more about this fascinating bird at their annual Eagle Adventures program.